Hey guys, it's Hay. So today we're going to be doing a macrame wall hanging. I've never done this before. I think I'm just going to try to wing it, and I guess we'll both see how it goes. I've watched a few videos on it, and whenever I was younger, I used to make chokers and bracelets where I used all of the same knots that macrame uses. I just never combined the knots to make something, but it probably can't be that hard, right? This is all of the supplies I got from Hobby Lobby, and I got all of the ones that they had, and I feel like I'm going to end up needing more, but I don't know, we'll see, to make like the main macrame. I'm wanting to do kind of like a macra-weave. I got this really cute bigger yarn and this yarn to kind of like weave into it in some parts, and then I know I'm going to need scissors and tape. In all the videos I've seen, people have had something to hold their macrame while they make it. When they're tying their knots, it doesn't move. And I don't have something like that, so I'm just going to hang it on the wall and hope that that works. Okay, so here's my string that I'm starting out with. I've cut my strands about like 6 feet, and then I fold them in half, and then I'm going to put them on here. I'm gonna make a larks knot. I just go like this and bring this little hoop down here and pull this through, and then pull it tight. And then I'm just gonna do that all the way like across the rest of it. Guys, look at my little student watching me. What do you think, kitty? You like it? Hey guys, so it's been a few days since I did all of this. I just was nervous about how it would turn out, and I've been trying to plan out like what knots I'm going to do and stuff, but I decided I'm just going to do it. We'll see if it turns out good or not. If it doesn't turn out good, then I can just redo it or something, you know? You start with 4 strands for a square knot. You bring the far one over, this one you bring on top of that, and then loop it through, and then pull it tight. And then you do it again, except for this time, this one will go across, this one will go over, and looped through, and then you pull it tight again. And then I'm going to just do that all the way across. Oh, sorry, kitty. I think I'm going to stand on a chair because my arms are already tired, and I've done 2 square knots. Now I'm going to do another row of square knots, except using the 2 inside from this one and the 2 outside from this one, so it's not like a gap all the way down. So it's the next day, and I know I don't have any makeup on, and my hair is a little crazy. Don't judge me. So I finished the 2nd row, and I'm not going to do a 3rd row of square knots. I'm going to try to make it a little wavy with the square knots. As you can see, I kind of made like a little wavy thing. So now I'm going to take this extra rope and basically line it all the way across this using double half-hitch knot. To do the double half-hitch, you can do it like across, diagonal, however, but you just have to kind of hold the rope in the direction that you're wanting it to go. Take the very end one, go over it, and through. And a knot like up. And then I have this extra, which I'll be tucking back here later. That's like a half hitch, and then to make it a double half hitch, you just do it one more time. So here's this. I take this over and then through. And then I go on to the next one, go over and through, and do it again with the same string, over, through, slide. Every once in a while, I'll do a triple half hitch, which means I use like one single rope to go around and tie 3 times if there's like large gaps, so like the string can make it all the way across. Okay guys, so I finished going all the way across. It looks better in person, I promise. This is my first one. It's not going to be perfect. Don't come at me, okay? Now I'm taking a shorter string and going to attach it about like that. And then in here is going to be the weaving. Okay, so finish this one. So now I'm going to take another string and do it maybe kind of like this. Let's get started on that one. I feel like it might be easier if I just kind of tie this here, you know? Knot, what I'm going to do, I don't know what it's called, I've only seen it in pictures, but I mean it looks easy. I'm going to take the 2 ends here and then wrap them around the next 2 and through and over, and then kind of like let it hang loose, doing that, kind of like that-ish here. Over here, I'm wanting to do some more of these knots and then transition into some more square knots. So it's the next day again. I'm going to finish it today. I brought these down a little bit because I'm wanting to kind of do like a little fringy thing here, and if they are up higher, the fringe would cover it. I finished some square knots here. So, what a kitty. She's so meowy. What? Oh, come here. Yeah, he just wanted me to hold you. Huh? Say hi. Hi. I think I am just going to do another one of these all the way across and be done with the knotting. So I took my tape measure just to measure like the length from here to here and here to here, and they're both about 28 centimeters, so pretty good. So I finished the line all the way across. So now I'm going to be taking like short little strands of the yarn and tying it around this, just in a normal knot, and it'll hang down like that, and I'll cut it a little bit shorter. Okay, so now I cut a longer piece of my yarn. I put tape on both of the ends. It would probably be better if it was painter's tape, but all I have is packing tape, so whatever. It just helps it not, unravel while I'm weaving. Start here, just kind of like a weave in and out. I'm gonna pull all of my yarn down until there's like this last little piece, which I'll tuck behind later. And so I'm going over this one, and under this one, and over this one, and under, and over, and under, and over. And then just go back the other way. Push this down more. I'm not wanting it to be completely like pulled tight. I think the looser these are, the better the weaving will look and the closer together it can be. So I finished the weaving. Okay, now I'm going to take this yarn, which isn't it so pretty? Like, I love it. It's so cute. Okay, so I tied the ends, and I'm going to do it on this side, but it's a little bit different than this weaving. So I'm going to be going like 2 strands at a time, and I'm going to start by going behind the first 2 and around, and just kind of leaving it like that. And then I'm going to take all of this and go over it, over the next 2. I'm going to take the end of it and bring all of it across and back through these 2. So basically like this. I'm going to go across the next 2, behind and through, and then just keep doing it all the way down. So this is what it looks like doing that technique. I'm just going to go back the other way. So I'm going to go around these 2, through here, now I'm just going to go back one more time in areas where there's no room. I'm just going to go behind the macrame and then come back out through here. And that's what I also did like up here. Guys, look at this. I cut it perfectly, the perfect amount. I'm a genius. Now I am unraveling all of these. This one's like a 3-strand one. So I just kind of do that. Okay, gonna take my scissors and chop chop. Am I right, ladies? Also, shout out to whoever knows where that quote's from. I might have messed up just a little, but you should still be able to get it. I think the quote actually goes snip snip. Am I right, ladies? But I was close. Guys, I finished it! Yay! I would say my main one regret, I wish I would have done this yarn more of a white instead of an off-white, because I have this handmade blanket which is made from white yarn, and then I also have this cute pillow which was also made from white yarn. But I think overall it turned out pretty cute. I know, like, I can see the flaws, but it was also my first one and it's a handmade piece, so it's not going to be perfect. Here's a little montage. Cute. Also, the macrame definitely took a lot longer than expected, and it tired out my arms a lot more than I expected. I'm just weak. Look at the kitty. I haven't been giving her attention all day because I've been macrameing, so she's like all up on me, and she's been very meowy today. Dare's home.
Hello.
Wait, you're about to see the macrame. I need your reaction.
I'll react to this. Refund check.
You got bands.
Bands make good dance. Bands make good dance. Nice. Looks profesh.
Does it? Or are you just saying that?
Oh, it looks really good. Good job. Good job, hey. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Bye.
No. I have to tell them to like and subscribe.
She needs some self-affirmation. People, come on. Give her the love she needs.
A lot of my subscribers right now are friends, which are great. Thank y'all for supporting me. But the other day, there was a random person that commented on my video and said, why don't y'all have more subscribers? Y'all seem like such a cute couple, and it made me feel so good. They like us. They think we're cute. Us and the kitty.
Get the camera.
Yeah, kitty.
You got 2 ones down.
Okay. Okay, well, just, you know, like and subscribe.
What?
Leave
This
a
doesn't have
comment.
to be 20 minutes. Okay. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Kitty. Hey. Kitty. Kitty. Kitty.